Uranus by Tushar. Uranus was formed from the scraps of the nebula that created the Sun. It is mostly made from the different sorts of ices, such as water, methane, and ammonia. It also has some small parts of hydrogen and helium as well, but it is confirmed that there is no life in Uranus. The rest of Uranus is rocky materials. Uranus is one of the outer gas planets, since it is at the other side of the asteroid belt and it is much bigger than the inner planets. It is also made up mostly of gas. The planet comes between Saturn and Neptune. Uranus is around 3 billion kilometers away from the Sun, and its diameter is 51,118 kilometers. It is also the third largest planet in our solar system. It takes Uranus 84 Earth years to circle around the Sun just once. And it has the mass of 15 Earth masses. There has only been one spacecraft that has come the closest to Uranus, and it was Voyager II. It had come around 81,000 kilometers near it. Voyager 2 was able to identify 10 of the 27 moons we know of. After that, Voyager 2 continued on its journey to outside this galaxy, which it is still going on for after 35 years. Most of the people think that Uranus will also die from the Sun when it burns out, but there is a theory that suggests that the outer gas planets might survive. They might get a weaker gravity over time due to the loss of mass they get from when their outer layer goes away. So there still might be hope for Uranus and some other outer gas planets. William Herschel was the discoverer of Uranus. He found it on March 13, 1781, and at first thought it was a comet. Later, it turned out to be a planet. He first named it after King George III, and then later it changed to Uranus. One of the cool things about Uranus is its axis. Unlike Earth's axis, which is like only 23 degrees tilted, Uranus's axis is almost 180. So it spins the complete opposite way of Earth. So it seems as if it's falling down. And the equator is north to south instead of east to west for Earth. Scientists think that it is like this because it had a very violent collision with something about the same size as Earth while the solar system was being formed. Hope you liked Uranus.